The top 5 best pop-up sprinkler heads for low water pressure recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Dram 15075 Color Storm Spinning Sprinkler. Dram Color Storm Spinning Sprinkler Blue creates a very unique and beautiful spray pattern covering an area up to 38 in diameter. The Color Storm Spinning Sprinkler head atomizes water into fine droplets for less water usage and thorough watering. Works well with water pressures between 20 and 80 psi. Ideal for well systems with low water pressure. Made on a heavy-duty stationary base for stability and has a molded hook for easy storage. Recommendation number 2. Rainbird 5R Plastic Impact Sprinkler. Rainbird 5R Plastic Impact Sprinkler. Adjustable 20 to 306 tided pattern. 25 to 41 spray distance. The #1 selling plastic impact sprinkler. Based on our in-ground, professional grade, LG3 Mini Paw and AG5 Maxi Paw impact sprinklers. Our popular line of polymer impact sprinklers proves Rainbird continues to lead the industry in engineering and design innovation. Durable high-impact polymer and stainless steel construction provide years of reliable watering use. Water-saving PJ spray guiding arm controls water stream. Recommendation number 3. Gilmer 830,603 1001 Circular Sprinkler. Delivered gentle, even watering to small areas of grass seed or trouble lawn spots. Gilmer's stationary sprinklers are ideal for small areas, low water pressure areas, and fast, accurate coverage. Ideal for small circular lawns. Up to 900 square foot coverage. Impact resistant, rust-proof polymer construction. Works well in low water pressure areas. 3 rows of outlet for gentle coverage. Recommendation number 4. Nelson Cast Iron Circular Spray Pattern Stationary Sprinkler. Heavy-duty cast iron body with rust-resistant, powder coat paint. Circular spray pattern. Covers 30 in diameter. LB of rain. 1 pounds. For stability. Finish green. This all Nelson Cast Iron Circular Spray Pattern Stationary Sprinkler Head features a circular spray pattern of up to 30 feet in diameter. Heavy-duty cast iron body with rust-resistant, powder coat paint. Covers 30 feet in diameter. 1 lb. Cast iron body. 1 lb. For stability. Pound of rain. 1 pound weight for stability. Recommendation number 5. Sommerall and Spot Sprinkler. This spot sprinkler of circle pattern is made of heavy-duty metal with premium surface finish. It covers up to 30 in radius and works well even when the water pressure is low. Metier quality at BST price with 100% satisfaction guarantee. Heavy-duty metal construction for durability. Coverage up to 30 radius 2800 SQF. Best watering performance even when the water pressure is low.